Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Terminal. This is video 12 in the Claude Code series. Today we're covering CLAUDE.md for teams, path-specific rules, org-wide policies, and Monorepo support. By the end, you'll know how to scope rules to file types, deploy organization-wide policies, and troubleshoot when Claude is not following your instructions. Path-specific rules are a game changer for large projects. Instead of loading every instruction every time, use scope rules to specific files. Put a paths field in the YAML front matter and use glob patterns. This rule only loads when Claude reads TypeScript files under source/API. Your front-end rules stay out of back-end context. Your test rules only appear during testing. Less noise, better adherence. Organize rules by topic. One file per subject with a descriptive name. Use subdirectories for front-end, back-end, or whatever structure makes sense. Files without a paths field load at launch, just like CLAUDE.md files with paths only load when Claude opens matching files. This keeps your context clean and focused. For organizations, there is a third tier. Manage policies. Place a CLAUDE.md at the system level, and it applies to every user on that machine. On Mac OS, that is Library Application Support Claude Code. On Linux, etc/Claude-Code. Deploy it with MDM, Group Policy, or Ansible. The key point, managed policies cannot be excluded. They always apply, regardless of individual settings. Monorepos bring a challenge. Claude walks up the directory tree and loads every CLAUDE.md it finds. If another team's instructions are above you, they get loaded too. The fix is CLAUDE.md excludes. Add glob patterns to skip specific files. Put this in your local settings so it stays on your machine. The patterns match against absolute file paths, and arrays merge across settings layers. 2 ways to share rules across projects. First, @path imports. Reference any file with the @ in your CLAUDE.md relative paths resolved from the importing file, and you can chain imports up to 5 levels deep. Second, symlinks. Link a shared rules directory into your projects.claude rules folder. Both approaches let you maintain one source of truth and use it everywhere. When instructions are not being followed, start with /memory. Verify your files are actually loaded. Then check specificity. 2-space indentation works better than format nicely. Look for conflicts between files. If 2 rules contradict each other, Claude picks one arbitrarily. Remember, CLAUDE.md is context, not enforced configuration. The more specific and concise your instructions, the more reliably Claude follows them. Let us recap. Path-specific rules with glob patterns keep your context focused. Managed policies enforce organization-wide standards that no one can skip. CLAUDE.md excludes, solves the monorepo problem. Symlinks and add imports let you share rules across projects. And when something is not working, /memory and specific instructions are your debugging tools. Go add a path-specific rule to your project today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more from the AI Terminal.